it's Nikki here and welcome back to my channel. I'm just so excited. It's because I will be doing an unboxing slash a makeup review. It's from Beauty Cosmetics. It's a Korean brand, by the way. Thank you so much. I'm just so excited. So they emailed me asking if I want to try out their products. I'm going to unbox this. Here's a sneak peek. Wow! So thank you so much, Beauty Cosmetics. So spoil yourself today. Love you guys. So thank you. So this is their letter for me. Hey guys, I really can't wait to show you guys the products. Okay guys, so Beauty Cosmetics collaborated with BTS. These are the BT21 makeup. This is Van. This is the Sun Cushion. This is also Van, the Lippy Stick Special. Next I have here an eyeshadow. I think it's the dual eyeshadow. This is Tata and this is Van. This is the eyeshadow. If you guys are interested, click the link down below. Don't forget to check out in the description box. So this is Jimin RJ. Finally, this is Cookie. Before opening up the products, I'll just go wash my hands first since I hold the box. I'll be right back and I really can't wait to try out the products. So make sure your hands are clean right now. So I'm gonna go try SPF 50 Sun Cushion. So by the way, this is Van. I'm gonna go take off the plastic. Here's the mirror. It's color black. It's really soft. So when you open this one, here you just pull it. It's a sun cushion. So basic. What? Oh, I thought it's like a BB cream. Here is the product. You guys can see it. We're just gonna go apply it. Before going out, I think it's best to use this one. You can use this one before applying your BB cream. It's not sticky, but it makes your skin really bouncy. You won't be expecting coverage right now. I think this is more on a skincare product. So I'm just going to apply BB cream. By the way, I just like using my finger when blending BB cream. What I'm talking about, guys, you guys can use this, but I prefer my fingers. I'm going to apply also on my neck. You guys can proceed on the brows. Let's take care of this too. I got the BT21 Art in Multi Eyeshadow. Oh, adorable! It says here 01 and the other one is 03. So I'm gonna go try the 01. These are darker shades and this is a bit lighter. I think they gave this one because this can be like her eyeshadow. It can be like her contour. This is 03, so I'm gonna go get this one. I like using my finger whenever I apply makeup. Go swatch the base color here. By the way, this matches my skin color as you can see. Oh, this is lighter. As you can see, guys, this is really pigmented, guys. And then it's more in a brown, it's pinkish, and this is. I use the base color for my eyes. Just a very light color. Guys, I'm just gonna go get this sparkly white. This can serve as an highlighter since it's a multi eyeshadow. Top of my brows. This matches my skin color. You can just go use this one to contour your nose. You guys can use a brush, but I just really prefer a finger. So I really like this one. This one is matte. I really like how my skin is just so soft because of the sun cushion. Just gonna use the lightest color. Oh my gosh, look at the contour. I'm gonna show you guys my thoughts later on. I'm gonna go get my eyelash curler and then curl it. By the way, I'm gonna be using my all-time favorite mascara. I'm gonna be using this Lippy Stick Special. So cute. So I received these three. This is the lightest, number 4. This is Van. So this is Van, by the way. Ooh. It has the signature. When you open this one, here is your dipstick. It looks like this, guys. Really cute. Let's now open this one. I really like the container because it's like see-through. You guys can see it. So when you open this one, look at it, so pretty. So this is the shade. Let's go swatch it and compare it. And super smooth pink shade. And glides on easily. It's not that rough compared to the eyeshadow pink. This is the Chimney. And the container is so cute. Then I go swatch this. Really moisturizing. It's pink. And this is perfect as a blush. So since I just applied it, why not use it, guys? Right here, and just go tap. the bud. Let's go try it. Shade number 4. It's like dry rose. So I'm using a makeup remover. I took it off, it does leave a stain. Coral ending, which is the chini. I'm gonna be using Cookie. This is a pink glow. I already found the shade that I like. I like this one, Cookie. By the way, guys, these 3 lippies are so cute. If you're a fan of BTS, you guys would really love this. Super cute to carry around. These shades are kind of vibrant. It makes your skin appear brighter. Also, I don't know if all of these shades smell the same, but it smells like candy. I really like this one. I prefer Cookie. I suggest to use this on your cheeks. I rate this around 4 out of 5. Long lasting as well. I'm gonna be using this one for sure. If I'm gonna be choosing between these two, actually I like both. For me, I prefer like this one. It's because you can use the white one as your highlighter, like light into my face over here. I highly suggest this one, BT Cosmetics in the shade 01. Like your mini palette, you can take it anywhere. Plus, if you have like the mini brush, you can just like do this. It can create like a 2-tone eyeshadow. This can be like a shadow, contour, and even your highlight, all in one product. Guys, and then the last part, more on the skincare, which is the Cooling Feet Sun Cushion. So that's it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. So this is how I do my makeup. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the BT Cosmetics and BT21 makeup review. Well, if you did, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe for more. So that's it for today's video. See you guys on my next one. Bye!